What's going on, guys? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. So it's been exactly 1 year since I started YouTube, and this video is just going to be about, my last year on YouTube, just kind of thanking you guys. And then at the end, as you can see on the title, that I'll probably put it in there, I'm going to do a course giveaway, just kind of thanking all of you guys for your support. So if you guys want to know about the course giveaway, just make sure you stay until the end of the video. But this one's going to be a short one. It's going to be a quick one, just because I felt like I wanted to come on here and, just talk to you guys and tell you guys, thank you for all of your support, every single one of you guys. Like I said, I started exactly 1 year ago. October 15th was my first video. I think I ended up putting it private because it was a little embarrassing, but I put a video like in the next day or something like that. I'll put it up right here. It's super cringe, guys. But yeah, it's been one whole year and it's been crazy. Like, we almost have 3,000 subscribers now. I think I'll hit 3,000 maybe by the end of the year, which is amazing considering my first month. It took me a whole month just to get 10 subscribers. It was super slow start. I don't know if you guys are familiar with some of the other channels. When FBA really started to pop off, like could get 100,000 subscribers in a couple of months. It took me a month to get 10 subscribers. But I'm super grateful for every single one of the subscribers I have, every single view I get, every single comment I get. I always have those guys that always comment on every single one of my videos, like Dwanga Toodle, like Wellington, like Sam, and there's a bunch more that comment on every single video, and I absolutely appreciate every single time you guys do. I love the support you guys show. I love the support every single person that views the channel, is active, in the comment section. It's just amazing, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video and just thank every single one of you guys for supporting me throughout this whole year. We want to, I want to scale this channel to much higher than it is right now, but I'm absolutely grateful for what we were able to do, in this year. It's funny, I wanted to start a YouTube channel probably for like 3 years before I actually started, but I was too nervous, too scared. I was worried what people were going to say. I was worried about the judgment I was going to get. When I did start it, I watched this video by Graham Stephan, if you guys don't know. I'll put the video right here, talking about how he was when he started out. And, how he was saying he was nervous, and he obviously has like over 1 million subscribers now. But then I went back and watched a bunch of the channels that I used to watched their first video, and then saw that, everybody kind of starts, really clunky, really rough, and like not very smooth, like, things are kind of going now. And it just kind of helped me, get started. But, just a little advice for any of you guys that want to start a YouTube channel. When you're going to start out, it's going to be rough. It's going to be kind of cringy. It's going to be awkward. It's not going to be smooth. I feel like my videos are a lot smoother now. And even now I'm trying to, get better at them and make them a little better, script them a little better, just have everything flow a little better. But when you're going to start out, it isn't like that. It's going to be clunky. It's going to be awkward. You're going to stumble across your words. You're not going to know how to script. You're not going to know, how to edit properly, but it's going to get easier. Like my first video, I went back and looked at it and it's like, what the hell is this? Funny thing, when I first started my first couple of videos, probably like my first 10 videos, I tried to do everything with one take. No breaks. I didn't stop. I would even try to just do everything with one breath. And I would start like running out of breath. I was like, what the hell? I was like, this is exhausting, but I try to do everything like with one breath and no slowing down. I just try to crank all the lines out because I would script it all out. Obviously, that's not the right way to do it. You want to say a little piece, you stop, you say another little piece, you stop, and then you piece them together and it goes a little more smooth. But nevertheless, guys, I just want to thank each and every one of you guys again. I'm super grateful for your support. You guys even have helped us, my family, even feel comfortable enough to start a family YouTube channel and feel comfortable enough, putting us out there in that way, which I think is cool for you guys as well, because, a lot of these business channels, a lot of these make money online channels, you just see them teaching you something, or you see that certain piece that they want you to see, and there's nobody really out there showing you everything, right? You're never quite yourself until you're with your family, until you're at home and you're in that environment. You guys can see exactly who I am. I'm a straight up family man. I'm straight up, I love being a dad, and I love, hanging out with my family, and that's what you see on that channel. But you get to see that side of me. You don't just get to see, here in this office and I'm teaching you how to do something and that's it. That's all you know about me. You get to actually see, my family. You get to interact with my family. You get to see us doing, silly things and just trying to and just kind of, showing you exactly who we are and exactly who I am. And I think it's cool because you don't see that anywhere else. Most YouTubers, and there's nothing wrong with that. Some people like their privacy, and we had a hard time kind of getting started as well. But you don't really see anybody else showing you that side. You just see what they want you to see. You see if this is their office and they have, nice cars or a nice house or a nice view, that's all you get to see. You don't get to see anything else, right? But you guys, through your support with this channel, even helped us because my wife would see the support that I would get here, and you guys even helped us feel comfortable enough to show you guys that side too, right? Show you the family side, show you what it's like day to day, and just kind of be silly on camera and stuff like that, instead of just very teaching you how to do things. But to celebrate the 1 year mark, I kind of went back and forth a bunch of different ideas of what I wanted to do for all of you guys that had supported me. I went through probably like 3 or 4 different ideas, but then I narrowed it down to this. So what I decided to do was do a course giveaway for my Amazon wholesale course, the Wholesale Underground. The community is growing every single day and we're getting a ton of results in there. But I wanted to do this course giveaway for anybody who purchases within the month of October. So if you've purchased already and you're going to purchase, within the October month, you're going to be automatically entered to win the free course giveaway. So you're going to purchase the course, but then I'm going to put you in a raffle, and then you could possibly win that course for free and you get all of your money back. You get to keep the course, you get to keep the mentorship, you get to keep everything. Completely free course. And I thought this was the most fair way to do a course giveaway, because I don't think it would be as fair to just give it to a subscriber, even though you guys do support me very much and I really appreciate it. I think it would be more fair to give it to somebody who has shown that extra support and joined the Wholesale Underground, has shown interest in the Wholesale Underground, that I know is going to make use of it, because we have a lot of subscribers, but a lot of subscribers just want to watch and they're not necessarily ready to take that next step. So I wanted to do the course giveaway to somebody that's ready right now, ready to go, and just wants to implement, and has already purchased the course or is going to purchase it in the month of October. So again, the course giveaway is going to go to somebody who has either already purchased or is going to purchase in the month of October. So if you guys have already bought in these last 2 weeks of October, you guys are already involved into the giveaway, and I'm going to announce the winner on Instagram. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle right here, so you guys can see when I post the winner, so you guys can come and claim your prize. All right, so I'm going to let it run until the end of the month. So after October 31st, it's going to close the doors to enter the giveaway. And then on November 1st, I will do a couple stories kind of leading up, letting you guys know, hey, I'm going to announce it at this time. And then we will do a complete random draw name of somebody who purchased within that month. And then we will announce the giveaway on November 1st on my Instagram. So again, if you guys haven't followed my Instagram, you guys need to follow it if you guys are interested in who's going to win, or if you guys are entered to win and you guys want to know if you won the free course giveaway. If you guys haven't checked out the course and you guys don't know anything about it, the course is $597 currently, and the price is going to go up here in the near future. But again, for the month of October, if you guys want to get in, if you guys have been thinking about getting into the course, or you guys have been on the fence, you guys don't know if you want to pull the trigger just yet, October is a great month to get into it, because you could possibly get that whole course completely for free, my mentorship completely for free. Also on the course, as long as the bonuses are still being offered when you guys do decide to get it, I'm also going to show you how to ungate yourself in toys, which is like an $800 value to $850 value, depending on who you go to get ungated with. So if you go to an ungating service, it's going to cost you upwards of $800 to $900 to get ungated in that. I throw it into the course completely for free as a bonus. There's also a bunch of other bonuses on there, about like 13 different methods to find suppliers. Every single thing that you could possibly need to get your business started and to scale your business to 6 figures and beyond. But again, guys, I'm super grateful for all of the support every single one of you guys has shown me. You guys have no idea how much it means to me. And I'm super excited to do this course giveaway. I haven't done anything like this before. I haven't done a giveaway before. This is my very first one. Depending on what the turnout is for the people that enter the giveaway, I might do, maybe a couple different giveaways. But if you guys want to know what it is, you guys have to follow my Instagram, so you guys can know who wins. And then also, if you win. And who knows, guys, I might do a different giveaway just for subscribers on my Instagram that same day. So I'll probably do a bunch of different giveaways that day. Just depends on how the month goes. So we will see how the month goes, and we will see, who gets that course. So if you guys want to get in, you need to get in on the month of October. Such a great month to get in, because you could get it for free. Follow my Instagram right here, and you guys will be all set. All right, guys, so next week I have a video coming up for Q4, preparing you for Q4, even though Q4 just started. I didn't get a chance to kind of crank that video out, but it's coming out next week. I'm going to give you a bunch of tips, things to avoid, things to do to set yourself up for Q4 in the most profitable way possible. And again, guys, you guys mean the world to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you guys in the next video.